Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In today's video we will discuss sparse array problem from HackerRank. In this problem we are given two arrays, strings and queries. The first array strings contains some strings and the queries array also has some strings, and what we have to do is for each query array we have to return that how many times a string from queries arrays occur in strings array. So we have to return the occurrence of the element. For example, here we have strings array with AB, AB, ABC elements, and in queries array we have AV, AVC and BC. So as we can clearly see, the first query is AB, that how many times AB is there in strings array. So we can clearly see AB is 2 times, ABC is 1 times, and BC is not present in strings array. So we return 0. So I hope you understand the problem. So let's see the code. Firstly, we have to iterate over the queries array to get the query. So for I in queries, now we have to count that how many times this query is there in the strings array. So we use count function here and return that value in a variable t. Is equals to strings dot count I. Let's have a list to store all these values. L is empty list, and append these value to L. L dot append T. Then return the values and then submit the code. As you can see, it passes all the test cases, but this program has one for loop and a count function. So it has total complexity O of n square, as count function also have O of n complexity. So as the problem is about sparse arrays, so we have to use better data structure to solve this problem. And what is the data structure and how to use that, we will see that in our next video. Until then, subscribe my channel and like this video if it is useful for you. Thank you for watching.